Okay, I wanted to show you this set of mesh bags that we got. There's come in different sizes. This happens to be the small size, and you can see it's about, oh, not quite 2 of my hands, and it's got the zipper here. And what's nice is it has this little tab here, so if you do throw it in the laundry, you can kind of tuck the little zipper pull in there, and then it's not going to come out while it's in the laundry and stuff. It won't open up, and then all your whatever you put in there, your delicates or whatever, won't come out in the laundry and then end up not protected in the bag anymore. I like that little tab feature there and stuff. And the reason we got them was for our laundry, because we had some mesh bags before that were starting to wear out. And so this is the small size, and then we have this very, 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 very large size. You can see compared to the small size, it's like, oh, significantly, almost 4 times, what, probably 2-3 times the size. This is the very large size. And then we have some of the medium too, and they're over in the laundry. I'll show you that here in a second. But really nice mesh, and it's got a nice zipper that goes across here. Okay, and then this is the medium, and this is the size that we use the most often, because this is what we use for the laundry for like our socks and our underwear and stuff. And so this is about 15.5 by about 11.5, so close to 16 by 12-ish or whatever. But this is the size we use for keeping our socks separated, like one person versus another person's socks, because we have similar socks and stuff, and so, and underwear and things like that. It kind of keeps them separated in the laundry and stuff. So anyway, like I said, I like the little tab that holds them shut, because we have other laundry mesh bags that don't have that little tab that holds them closed and stuff. And so what happens is through the dryer, it ends up that you end up with a mesh bag, and then all your socks are separate. They're just sitting around separate in the laundry, and then you have to kind of go through and sort through them again, because it's as if you didn't even wash them separate, because they didn't stay in the mesh bag through the laundry. So that little tab there is a really important feature to keep them closed while they do go through the laundry and stuff. So anyway, I like that. And so that's why we ordered some more of them, because we needed, our other ones were wearing out and stuff. So yeah, really nice. I like those.